Hello dear viewers, today we're going to talk about a new sniper bot that works in MetaMask and Trust Wallet. It works on BSC, ETH, AVAX, MATIC, and Z, which is a MATIC chain. The bot has a demo mode. The demo mode includes Pancakeswap and Uniswap versions 2 and 3. The rest of the swaps will be available in the paid version. It also supports Arbitrum. Let me show you how quickly the bot makes a purchase, and you will see if this will be beneficial for you or not. We'll also talk about what the advantages and disadvantages of the bot are. Spoiler alert, no disadvantages in the bot. The bot can trade for days without stopping. That's a very useful function, and we have it right here. So if you enable take profit, and if you bought a token at 5% and it grows to 100%, the bot will sell it. Let's try buying a token and see how quick the transaction is. I'm buying 0.01 BNB and buy. 47 it starts, 48. 51, the purchase is complete. So let's check the transaction hash and the bot. Don't see it here for some reason. Alright, let's check it here. So you can see transaction hash, token bot. Now I want to sell it to check the sell speed. 26, 27, and we have a transaction. So the bot has sold the token in 2 milliseconds. What can be faster than this? So now let's try to do the same transaction on the website just to see how long it takes. So here we have to wait for the purchase window, then we have to wait for the approval. While in the bot, it only took 1 click to buy the token. So that's the kind of speed we're talking about. So now let's try this on Uniswap. We have some USDT in our wallet here. Let's check also how long it takes. Maybe MetaMask works faster for some people, but it still takes a few clicks. So while the transaction is being processed, let's go back to our bot. You can see that you create a wallet here. You can see that MetaMask is now asking for another approval of the contract. So the bot allows you to transfer between your own wallets. Let's send this. We already have a transaction hash. So how much time did it take us to buy on Uniswap? Too much time. You can lose a lot of money in that period of time. Now let's check it on the wallet. As you can see, the balance has been updated. All the wallets are saved in a text file in the bot installation folder. I won't demonstrate it to you because it has some private keys. So let's talk about the bot a little more. So you can see we have our buy slippage and sell slippage here. So our max buy tax percentage and our max sell tax percentage. So this refers to the growth of the token price. So imagine I buy the token and the price goes up 10%. And then it drops 10%. So when you have big price fluctuations, it allows you to prevent big losses. The bot will sell the token automatically. Thanks everyone, please like and subscribe.